Technology, it's everywhere. From the smartphones in our pockets to the computers we use at work, and even the smart systems running our homes. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, what exactly is technology? Simply put, technology refers to the tools, systems, and devices we create to solve problems or make our lives easier. But it's more than just gadgets and machines. Technology has been shaping humanity for thousands of years. From the invention of the wheel to the groundbreaking printing press and the first computers, technology is about innovation, creativity, and progress. Today, technology is advancing faster than ever before. Coding languages, artificial intelligence, and robotics are transforming industries from healthcare to entertainment. But it's not just about the flashy gadgets. Technology is solving critical global issues, improving efficiency, and connecting people around the world like never before. We use technology every day, often without even thinking about it. Take a moment and look around you. That laptop you're working on, the phone you're texting on, even the lights in your room. It's all tech. Technology connects us, empowers us, and allows us to achieve things that once seemed impossible. But what drives technology forward? It's all about human curiosity and the need for progress. Whether it's inventing smart homes, improving medical treatments, or exploring the depths of space, technology grows as our imagination expands. So let's break it down. Technology is all around us. It's about solving problems, improving lives, and making the impossible possible. It touches every part of our lives, whether we're aware of it or not. As we move further into the future, technology will continue to evolve. The question is, how will you use it? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more insights into the world of technology. Let's explore the future together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and stay tech savvy.